Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with your boy Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. So in today's video I'm gonna do some soup today, guys. So I'm gonna do some chicken soup with red peas and pumpkin. So I search the fridge and find some chicken foot in it. So I also go add the chicken foot in it. So that's what I'm gonna look about today on the cooking outdoor channel. So I have the water set off already. So I'm just wash the peas and add in it. And I will add 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cloves of garlic in the pot. And guys, thanks again. Soon reach 900 subscribers, and I want to say big up to Lovely Kindly over there supporting me on the TikTok platform, on the YouTube platform. Really appreciate the support, guys. Thank you for supporting Caribbean Vibes cooking as always. Really appreciate the love, guys. So I'm adding some pimento seed, start adding flavor to the soup from early out. And we have the chicken foot. I'm going to add them in the soup too. And we have the pumpkin. And I'm going to clean up the pumpkin. So I'm just going to clean up these 5 chicken foot. So I'm going to add them in the soup, guys. So I'm cleaning off the toe. Just crack the bone. That's it. So I'm cutting out the pumpkin, adding to the soup. We have the corn them in the water. And adding in the pumpkin. Adding in the chicken foot same time too. So I'm washing the corn and I'm putting them in the pot so them can cook, or sometimes the corn tough. And I add in the corn then. So I'm just peeling the Irish potato. So I'm using 1 Irish potato, 1 chocho, 1 sweet potato, carrots, turnip, piece of yellow yam, and piece of breadfruit. So I'm just gonna peel all of them and add into the water till when it's time for them to go into the soup. Guys, and I want to say big up to Jessica over there in the United States in Florida to be exact. Guys, always appreciate everything that person do out there for me and my platform. Really supportive when they come on to supporting Caribbean vibes, cooking, and for that I'm forever grateful for everyone who is on my platform supporting the Caribbean vibes platform. Big thank you to each and everyone. So I'm cutting up the vegetable, adding them into the container. So I'm gonna clean up the chicken, go in our soup. So I like a lot of meat in my soup, so I'm using 2 pounds of chicken in the soup. I'm adding the yam, and it's yellow yam, guys. So I'm adding the yellow yam into the soup. So next thing, I'm gonna add the chicken. So the chicken done clean up. I'm gonna add the chicken. So I'm adding the chicken. Into the soup. Adding in the carrots, Irish breadfruits, so I'm adding in the dumpling. So I'm just add 3 pieces of scallion in the soup, some thyme, scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm using some milk. And that's some coconut milk adding into the soup. And that's my way of cooking the chicken soup with red peas. So I'm adding 2 packs of chicken noodle soup mix. So I'm stirring it because I don't want it to hitch into the bottom of the pot. So people, the soup done. So I'm gonna deal with it today and share out some of it. So see the soup done, and the cameraman I wanna go up on the camera go drink none of the soup, guys. So I'm the one who is always gonna be unseen. I don't know, my family, they do not like the camera. But the soup alright. So I'm just having some of the chicken soup with red peas, and I did add a little bit of coconut milk in it. Soup real hot. So you know, we are come to the end of the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more awesome videos.